amazing to be part of this academy, and the faculties are so good. They are very supportive. In fact, the ambience of the college is very nice, very friendly, and we've been teaching, we've been learning a lot of technical part as well.
GC Lab is one area where you can experiment. You can stitch your own garment. It makes you feel that it's your own. So basically, there are very efficient machines. Juki is a very famous brand.
Hi, I'm Harvi and I'm doing jewelry design in Pearl Academy, Jaipur. The ambience and the campus here is beautiful. पूरा दिन कहाँ जाता है? How your day goes, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. It's very eco-friendly, it's beautiful, it's mesmerizing.
We are offering courses in design and business at both undergraduate and postgraduate level. We are offering a course which is unique to the entire Pearl family, which has only been offered in Jaipur campus, which is an undergraduate course in jewelry design. We have a wonderful campus here at Pearl Jaipur, which has been awarded several times as the best learning building in the world.
For this weather, the architecture is perfect because from all around you can see the waves coming out and you feel very good. So this area is basically designed to use this area as a ramp.
I went to Milan for an exchange program. I did fashion styling there. It was really a great exposure for me, and I would love to be there for a longer time.
Many events used to happen in the college, like Pearl Utsav, a very grand festival. We can never forget Dandiya night, costume party, monster party, and also organized by our seniors only. It's just amazing, one of the most beautiful part of my life.
Plan Clan is a student body catered for the students, by the students. More so, it helps every student who actively participates in terms of building communication skills, in terms of building networks with other institutions.
In the Department of Textile Design, we are dealing with knitting, weaving, dyeing and printing. And being in Rajasthan, especially in Jaipur, which is full of craft, we are trying to give information, or rather various in-depth information related our traditional crafts.
In Foundation at Pearl Academy, we give the students an opportunity to rediscover themselves, and we facilitate them to find their actual area of interest.
We have the best blend of visiting and full-time faculty who come from very good design school backgrounds and also with excellent industry exposure that they've had. We regularly have industry interface for different departments. The whole idea is to again kind of bring the industry to the campus, to talk to students, faculty, share their feedback about student work. And all this also helps us to achieve great placements. Some of our alumni have really done us proud, and they're doing very well in their respective industries and jobs. Some of them have gone independent with their own designer labels. And we are so proud to acknowledge the fact that all the hard work that the faculty puts in, the students put in, finally culminates into a dream which comes true for a designer. And that is what our mission, our vision is at Pearl Academy Jaipur, to see that every student going out of this academy is an accomplished designer and which helps that person to fulfill his dreams.
At last, being part of Pearl Academy is like awesome, and cheers to college.